Yeah. I see
They're
that.
calling now!
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Who could it be rapping on my door? Thomas, you let Mr. Giggles out?
No, Mr. Giggles, you're staying in the house. You know, I can't film anything out here. It's nighttime, you idiots. Get back in the house, both of you. Get back in the house. You can't see anything. It's nighttime. I can't see you. You're dancing around like an idiot and I can't see you. Yeah, I was making that, but I had to stop.
Do you see me now?
Yes, I can see you now.
Brazen whales.
No, I'm getting antsy. I want my car home. Okay.
We'll finish this again in a bit.